What's up, everybody? Fat Cracker here. Got another recipe for you today. Today we're going to be making dirty cabbage. It's the first time I've ever tried it. Looks good. So we're going to get everything set up and we'll get to it. Keep watching. All right, everybody. So we got a pot here with bacon grease in it. We're going to add our first ingredient. I got 24 ounces of andouille sausage. We're going to stick that in there and get that browned up. Let it cook, yeah. So we'll let that cook, yeah, and we'll come back to it when it's ready. All right, we got our sausage browned up, so we'll get it out of the pot. Get all that out of there. Shit. Sorry about that. Excuse my language. I dropped one on the floor. All right, now in our pot, we're going to go in with 3 large bell peppers, yellow and red, and 2 large yellow onions or sweet onion. And we'll cook those down. So we'll let those cook down, and then we'll come back to it. All right, we got that sweated down a little bit. Now we're going to add a little bit of garlic. Mix that around. Get it mixed in. We'll let that cook for a minute. And since those vegetables ain't quite done yet, we got them down for a little bit. Then we're going to let that cook a little bit longer. But we're going to add, I think we're good. We're going to add 2 pounds of ground beef. We got a pound of ground chuck and a pound of ground beef. Put that in there. Get that mixed in, then we'll brown that down. We'll add a little bit of Tony's to it. We'll get that browned down and cooked down, and we'll come back to it. All right, we got our hamburger meat draining. We added a little bit more bacon grease. Turn that down a little bit. We're going to add our cabbage in to salt it up. Got 2 small heads of cabbage. Cut into shreds. And we'll get that cooked down and add the rest, and we'll come back to it. All right, we got our cabbage rendered down. We're going to add our sausage. And then we're going to add our drained ground beef, onions, and bell peppers. And then we're going to mix it all together. Get it all mixed in there. All right, we'll put the lid on it, cut it down, let it cook a little bit longer, and then we'll show you how it tastes. We'll tell you how it tastes. All right, guys, so here we go. We got Polish fried chicken, 2 pieces of cornbread, And then we're going to add this dirty cabbage to it. Get a nice helping spoonful. Give it a real quick taste test. Get some sausage on it. If I can get some cabbage and stuff over there. Ooh, she's hot. The sausage was good, but that's all I got in that bite. Oh yeah, that's good right there. Cabbage got good flavor. Hamburger's got good flavor. Sausage is good. And that's a good meal right there, bud. Remember, if you ain't trying, you ain't making it, bud. Remember, dirty cabbage. Pretty damn good. Y'all have a good one.